Right, so that was a good morning's work. It's had a little bit of time to settle. It's not looking too bad. And there's the slab. So it needs a few days now to go off, and then once that's done, I've got a bit of a mess around here. I need to say an absolutely huge thank you to Simon and to Andrew and to Tom and to Roy and to my wife, all who helped massively get this done. We've done a great job, and I couldn't have done it without you guys. You've all really helped me loads, and I'm so appreciative. You're helping me get my dream build done, so I can't be any happier.